Can you avoid the nursing home taking your house and your other assets in Michigan? Hi, I'm attorney Nicole Whip at the Family and Aging Law Center. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can help make sure that the nursing home can't take your house and other assets. The key is to be prepared, but that's what we're here for. Nursing home cost can be overwhelming. You might be one of those persons whose loved one is in the facility and you've been told that they need to get out soon, but you don't know where to take them because you know that if they go home, it's going to be dangerous. That's one side. The other side is you've been shocked by the fact that Medicare isn't going to cover this stay and you can't find any other help either. That's where Medicaid comes in. But you need to know how to keep the assets out of the reach of the government and Medicaid in order to ensure that the situation doesn't spiral out of control financially. Now, here's the good news. It can be done. You just need to do it properly. And it's very, 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 and I cannot say the word very enough important that you don't try to figure this all out on your own, or that you listen to the nice lady down the road, that you listen to the people in the nursing home or at the hospital or the care planner. These are legal issues. And if you don't do it right, it can have devastating financial consequences. And so, if you want to make sure that the nursing home will not be able to take your home or your other assets, you need to do the right thing, and that is get the right legal help. So, the first question is, well, can a nursing home take my house in Michigan? While the answer to that question is not a direct yes, they can't literally just come and make you sign over the deed or go and take the property away from you, but they can do things that force that result if you don't get the proper help. The thing about it is, no matter what anybody tells you, there's a lot of lawyers that will go out there and say, well, they can't take your house is an exempt asset. And while that is true to some degree, it's not the entire story. Because here's the thing, your house can be taken by the fact that you're forced to sell it because you don't have enough money to maintain it. Or if your children can't afford to maintain it, it has to get sold. And now that house has been liquidated to something that is a non exempt asset that then you are forced to spend down, meaning you have to give it to the nursing home. Also, just because it's an exempt asset during your life, if your house goes through probate and you needed benefits to help pay for your care at a nursing home, it's going to go through a process called Medicaid estate recovery, which basically means the state of Michigan will get all of the proceeds, the value of your house. And so, while, like I said at the beginning, the answer is the nursing home can't take your house, there's really a lot of different ways that the value of your house will be lost to either the nursing home or to the state of Michigan if you don't properly plan. Now, here's the good news, guys. Your house and your other assets can be protected from this, but you need to take action. If you want to read more about this in depth, if you want to read about how long term insurance comes into play, if you want to know about how probate plays a role in this, if you want information about trusts, Medicaid asset protection trusts, and other types of trusts that can help you protect your assets, or the other types of things that can be done in this process, by all means, I invite you to read our blog post, which is very comprehensive and goes through all of this information in depth. But in the meantime, the first step is to contact our firm. My staff is lovely and they will help you get into a conversation with me so that I can see what needs to be done and give you the right advice about what to do. It's going to be up to you whether you want to do it or not, but the advice will be there for you. And so you'll know what to do. Just give us a call. Our phone number is 248-278-1511. And if you're in Michigan, we can definitely help. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you soon.